All right, AV Tweeps, fall is here, so you know where we're at. We're at the E4 Experience right here in Teaneck, New Jersey, so you know what time it is. Let's get it, rise and grind. So you know we're having a good time at the E4 Experience. We are in Teaneck, New Jersey, and I'm here with Andy Rozak. And man, we just learned a lot of stuff about services and esports. So tell me about what you got going on here on the show floor.
So our services team puts together a bunch of different services for our integration partners. We do installation, engineering, and drafting, remote programming, field commissioning, and digital signage content services.
I appreciate you, Andy. Thanks so much. Okay, so like I said, E4 Experience is all about the fun and of course education as well. So today I am here with Rich. Let me know why you came to the E4 today. What brought you here?
Yes, I came here today to see what the manufacturers have. So you know, technology is forever evolving. So we want to stay up to date and make sure that when we sell to K-12 school districts that we're giving them the best things. So E4 has that. You see all the manufacturers here, all the great products. So just to learn a little bit more about the products and see how we get them into the schools.
Absolutely. Come learn about the products right here at the E4. You heard it here first. Rich, thank you so much for your time. Nice to meet you. Here we go. Why did you come to the E4?
Learn about new products.
Here it is.
James Calangelo.
Oh,
Swag.
swaggy.
All free stuff, James, and the good food out here.
Hey, James.
I came to see all my good friends here. Why not, right?
Right here at the E4 Experience. This is what it's about, baby. We out. All right, this is the best way to kick off the E4 Experience tour for the fall season. I want to see you all on the next stop, but for now, we out.